Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita. Good morning. Good morning my friends. So I'm doing a little bit of vlogging today, and gonna be refreshing my living room for 4th of July. Of course, I'm gonna be adding in a few little 4th of July little color here and there. Not doing much. Maybe I'll just go ahead and just switch the pillows out or add some red pillows to my decor, and just maybe switch around a few little decor and stuff. But stay tuned guys, because I have a little bit of cleaning up to do first. Not much, but I just want to get the living room in order and just have a little have it looking a little bit more festive for the 4th of July weekend, you know, and give you guys some inspiration. But first, let me have some breakfast. I'm making eggs, and as you can see, I made some fried plantains, and doing my egg. It's not really an omelet or anything, but I'm just doing my eggs. I like to have my egg fluffy like this. Look how delicious this looks. Ooh, can't wait to eat this. But guys, that was my breakfast. Okay, so we're in the living room. I'm gonna make it quick. I'm not gonna hold you today. I'm not gonna hold you guys. As you can see, I'm moving fast with the video. Breakfast was good, but let me just tidy up this living room guys. And there's nothing much to do, because trust me, I try to do this every morning. And I'm just like going over and dusting down and stuff like that, and figuring out if I should switch up the decor, what I should do. So come along guys, and I'm gonna put some music on while I just, you know, straighten up, tidy up and stuff like that. I do hope you guys are having a blessed Monday so far guys. I do hope that whatever you set out to do today, you get it done, and your Monday be productive guys, and your whole week be productive. I hope you guys are well and taking care of your well-being, and keep your health in check guys. Keep your health in check, trust me, because I don't know what's going on, but nowadays I feel like everybody is just passing away. I don't know what's going on. I guess I'm getting older, because when I was younger, I wasn't really aware much of these things. Maybe I guess they were happening, but not around me so much because I was younger. But now that I'm getting older, and so much of people that I know and work with are like just passing away, I'm like, it is sad. It is sad. It is sad guys. And try not to think about it too much, and know that it's a part of life, and just keep it moving. But it's sad, so let us all just take it easy and live life to the fullest. Take care for well-being guys. Keep your health in check, and most importantly, and pray. Don't forget prayer guys. Don't forget prayer. Do not forget prayer guys. Pray and keep a close relationship with God. All right, so let me just put some music on, and you guys enjoy the living room refresh. And I just want to take the time out to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Guys, I've seen your comments. I see you guys, and I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and loving what I do and taking the time out of your busy schedule to support the channel. Thumbs the video up, liking the video, and just showing me that love and support. I truly, truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful and fun-filled 4th of July. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you guys so much for still sticking with me, even though I don't post every day. I know sometimes there are days that I don't post a long form video, but I will give you the shorts. Thank you so much for supporting me and sticking with me, and just being there to comment on the video each time I have a new upload. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all, and have a blessed, beautiful and fun filled 4th of July, guys. Well, my friends, here is the living room refresh for 4th of July, guys. I do hope you like the few changes that I've made. I think it's looking absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this. Simple and beautiful, but yet so elegant, guys. I am loving the look. I think the red pillows with the blue hydrangea is just enough for the 4th of July colors, and that's all I'm doing here in the living room, guys. And I went ahead and do my little tidying up and stuff. You see me take up all those toys and stuff that my kids left on the floor in the toy area, guys, and it feels much better in here. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, so kindly give me a thumbs up, drop me your comments down below, let me know what you think of the refresh, guys, and share this video out with your family and friends. Of course, I don't mind, guys, and until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. I'll definitely catch you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a big hype. Thank you so much. Bye.